Welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are making something so light and creamy. It tastes like your favorite iced latte but in a dessert form. Wanna see how? Let's dive right into it. Choco Latte Delight. Start with first creamy latte layer. In a pan, pour some milk. Add instant coffee, corn flour and sugar. Mix it well until everything is nicely dissolved. Now cook on a medium heat, stirring continuously. You'll see it start to thicken. That's what we want. Once thick, remove it from heat and let it cool. Once it's slightly cooled, cover and set it aside. In a large bowl, take chilled sweetened whipping cream. Use a hand beater to whip until soft peak forms. You can also check out more delicious desserts on our channel. Now add latte mixture into whipped cream. Now gently fold in cool latte sauce. Take your time, we want it smooth, creamy and airy. And just like that, your first luscious layer is ready. Now let's make the chocolatey ganache. Take chocolate chunks and pour in heavy cream. Melt it using the microwave or double boiler method. Stir until silky smooth, then let it cool slightly. Now let's prepare the coffee mixture. For the soup, take milk, instant coffee, powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Before we assemble, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our delicious recipe. Your feedback means the world to us. Take any biscuits of your choice. I'm using whole wheat ones. Dip each biscuit in the coffee mixture and place them in a 6 by 8 inch dish. Spread a layer of the creamy latte mixture. Then repeat the biscuit layer and again creamy latte. Finally, pour that glossy chocolatey ganache on top. Refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours or even better, overnight. Time to reveal the magic. It's sat perfectly, creamy, light and chilled. Let's taste it. It's so soft and velvety. The coffee and chocolate are in perfect balance. This is the ultimate summer treat. Hope you love this easy and dreamy Choco Latte Delight. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to Lemon Cone. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.